Holding space, part 2. So, Rona who grew up, well, the trial generation, Rona Shem, the guinea pigs of the new dispensation, the new awakening. So we grew up in an era where somebody would say, no, I'll pray for you, I'll go pray for you, whatever. All right. But yeah, right now I consciously ask, please don't do that for me. Thank you. Just rather say me love and life. But what it means basically is to be there emotionally, spiritually, physically, in any capacity where you're able to step out of yourself, right? Not making about you, and basically have compassion for this person who requires this from you, right? And at times it's not literally an ask from the person who, okay, please hold space for me. But if you're close to people, if you have friends or people in your circles and they're going through a tough period, the little list of who if your intentions are good. I'm two ways about this one. All right, actually listening. So the biggest element is to not be judgmental. We've all done effed up things a lot. We all probably sorry, I struggle with that swearing. Or we've all been in situations where the decisions, now you're questioning yourself, or oh my God, how did I get here? But what the next person needs is just for you, maybe just to listen, for you, ababate advice at that moment, So that little chat that you give to someone, that little time that you take from your schedule, I think my friends, they know me, but that little time where you get to sit with them, no matter how many breakups they go through, no matter how many times they be crying, no matter how many of the same thing that they repeat, but also I'm not saying don't have boundaries, also have boundaries. But for me, in this gratitude period and me just trying to elevate to a better self of mine, I've literally also felt it in myself. Or you know what, thank you, Gogo, for actually allowing us to have these chats, where even if we're angry, even if Horataking, Badimu, hear this, Mudimu, hear this, like I'm just done with this, I'm just done with that. But to have somebody who's actually gonna keep a spark of hope burning for you, that little, okay, no, I understand how you're feeling right now, but when you're out of it, I want us to reflect on this, or we're gonna be laughing at this. So basically learning how to be there for somebody outside of judgment, keep that hope alive for them, because I don't know, life works in that way. The time that you're down, you're probably going to need them to have somebody who's going to hold you up. And shout out to my friends